Hey everyone, my name's Andy. My channel's Finding Value. If you like investing in the most undervalued assets that we can find in the world, click the subscribe button. This channel's for you. Join our community. Look at some of the stocks that people choose. It's mainly commodity driven based off of the valuations right now. So it's a big commodities basically channel. But today we're going to go over gold and silver. We've got some updates I'd like to make just to show you kind of where we're at. So here we are. It's not too long of a presentation. Just want to do a quick update for gold and silver. So next we've got gold here, GLD. I charted this and it's sitting right on its trend line here. So perhaps we want to cost average in a little bit. We've got a little bit upside momentum going here. So maybe perhaps look at some companies, choose some, add some in a little bit. SILJ is looking pretty good. I drew this in. We've got a wick on the bottom, a little bit of an up day, looking pretty good. Maybe it's time to add in a little bit. That's probably what I would be doing right now. If you want to, add cost average in a little bit. We've got the momentum kind of shifting up to the upside here. We've got a nice contraction here. So this is a big momentum day. The momentum slowed, and then we got our reversal day here. Does this mean it's going to absolutely just moonshot up? Not necessarily, but this would be a good time to cost average in a little bit of money. Next, EXK, same thing. Little bullish engulfing here. We've got a reversal of momentum. I would be buying right in here. So maybe tomorrow would be a time to cost average in if you like this company. And then I did DSVMF. This is a bullish engulfing at the bottom of its trend line here. I bought today. I cost average into EXK and into DSVMF. That's what I did, and I like the way the chart pattern looks right now for these. So look for the big candlesticks. We need that momentum to work its way off. It worked its way off, and then we had a reversal day today. So that's what we want to look for, is we want to see the momentum of the buyers and sellers shift to the buyers moving this thing on up. Doesn't necessarily mean that tomorrow is going to be an up day. What it means is that the momentum is shifted and we don't have that big downside momentum still. We kind of let that dissipate, and now we see buyers step in, and I think we've got a good cushion. So if it is a down day, it's not going to be some blowout down day. Now, that doesn't mean it's impossible to not have one. But what it means is that the momentum shifted, and that's typically when I like to cost average in. For oil, that we got a lot of big moves today in oil. A lot of the companies that we follow on this channel did pretty well. I was watching Reconnaissance Oil. Some people recommended that. I had purchased before the big breakout of its chart pattern. So thank you guys for recommending that. There's some other companies that I'm looking into that are looking pretty good in the uranium sector. I'm going to wait for that sector to kind of bottom out, and I'll show everybody the charts of those. So hopefully this helps you guys with your investments. Very short update here, but I think it's looking at least cost average worthy to get into right now, especially in the ones that I covered with EXK and DSVMF. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. This is Finding Value.